Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on XRP, your daily update. It's good to have you all back here again, and hope you're having a great start of the weekend. Hope you had a good week last week in terms of the crypto markets. There were some opportunities, but in general, it was a bit of a difficult week with the Bitcoin dominance being very high, and just in general a lot of volatility, of course, but that's still a good week. So let's talk about XRP. There's two main things that I wanted to talk about in this video, and we'll do a full update in general on the current situation of XRP and what I expect. But that honestly has not changed in the last couple of days, and I think in the last couple of days we have been correct as well. But that's not that difficult when the price is not moving much. And I told you, well, I think we'll just stay in this consolidation, which is what we did. But it's more impressive to predict a breakout, right? So doesn't matter. But I wanted to talk about two things, which is the XRP ETF potentially coming in 2025. What do I think about that? What does that mean for the price? What can we actually is that actually realistic? And I wanted to talk about some potential XRP buy areas, or at least areas where I'm looking at buying XRP. So that's what we'll do. So like I said, in terms of the situation right now, technically for XRP, really nothing has changed. The structure for Bitcoin, so the general market situation hasn't changed. The volume has dropped down. That already started dropping down over the course of yesterday. So obviously today on the Saturday it's lower, but yesterday it was already dropping down lower, which is a sign of a loss of momentum. And then you can see the open interest is also very low, so that's another sign of loss of momentum. And then if you take a look at the technical behavior here, what you can see is that where initially we were still getting some decent bounces from the trend band and from the 50 EMA, that already started to become a little bit less on Thursday, and then it started to become even, and then right now it's practically no respect to the trend anymore, which is always technically a confirmation as well that we are no longer trending. Now, does that matter? No. I mean, I expected more bullish momentum yesterday, to be completely honest with you. I thought we could actually move up into 3.3 and 3.35 potentially if Bitcoin also allowed that. But no, we're just in a relatively tight consolidation right here. I would say between 3.3 and then the main support levels. And those are also the main levels where I wanted to talk about potentially buying XRP. In my eyes, are these levels right here, around $3 and 2.9, where especially on the 12-hour time frame, but also on the daily time frame, you can see some amazing support coming around there. You can see that on the 12-hour time frame, we actually have the trend band there. It's that previous high. It's already been respected as some sort of bottom of this current range. So that always helps. Then you have the 0.5 VIP there. So the first level where I'm looking at buying XRP is this level at 2.9. Now, I have to say, I will wait with both of these levels because the other level is a little bit lower. And I've talked about that before as well. But both of these levels, I will wait for a bit of a bottom signal. All right. So that's for a certain part, that's based on feeling. Like, are we actually testing a level? Is the volume going up while we are testing a level, which means that there's actual defending going on or not? So that I will wait for, because the other level, and it is possible that we'll drop down there. I don't think that's most likely right now. But if we do not get those signals at this level around 2.9, what I would say is that that's also still possible that we drop down to 2.75. Now, 2.75, if we get there, I will most likely not wait for bottom signals, because I do think if you look at the higher time frames, and it's just my bias, that XRP will at least stay structurally bullish right here, and that would mean holding this level. All right, so for me, those two levels are the main levels to buy from. So either 2.9 and the area around it, or 2.75 in the area around it. For 2.9, if you want to buy there, I would wait for some sort of indication that it's actually going to hold. 2.75, at least personally, I will just buy when it gets there. So that's it for XRP. I mean, I wanted to talk about the ETF a little bit more as well. I guess we'll do that throughout the videos when it actually becomes a little bit more likely. I think it's coming, all right? I think there's massive demand for an XRP ETF, but obviously right now, the main thing that has to be dealt with first is the whole SEC case, and I think that's the main thing to actually stay updated on and to keep monitoring. And if we actually win the SEC case, I think the potential of an ETF will already be reflected in the price. So the price will already rally a lot ahead of the ETF news. because I think the expectation is very, very high that we will get such an ETF if the case with the SEC is closed. So that I'll keep you updated on. For now, I think this is what you need to know regarding XRP. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.